So guys, welcome back to another video. I have just received on Friday, so 2 days ago, a custom steering wheel for my Audi A7. This is the wheel that's currently on there. I've gone for a full Alcantara and flat bottom, white 12 o'clock marker and white stitching. So the first job is to get this one removed, which you have to turn the ignition on, turn the steering wheel round, and then release the two clips to release the airbag. I'm going to do that first to release the airbag. The work I'll be doing today will be indoors because I've got to transfer all of the buttons over, obviously the airbag, the paddles, this S-line badge, and I've also got black badge, ring badge for here and a black surround for this. So I'll get the airbag first out and then I'll show you where we go from there. So the battery is located in the boot on the A7. So I've just disconnected the terminal first so I can be able to turn the steering wheel to this way to release that side of the airbag, spin it round and release the other clip. So I'll get that out first. So that is the airbag free. You've got to disconnect this plug here, which comes from there, and disconnect this other small one here. I had to make a quick dash to Halfords because I couldn't find my M12 socket, which is needed for this, anywhere. That was my one piece that was missing out the whole set. I hate it when that happens, when you're halfway through something and you have to nip out. But yes, so I've got the M12 now. We'll get the wheel off, get it inside and start disassembling it all. So here's the comparison between the two. Here's the old original wheel and this is the new one. Alcantara, 12 o'clock, white marker, white stitching and flat bottom. So let's get everything from this one to this one. So that there is the paddle switched over. You have to undo this one here, which is a T20, and then that releases the paddle and the wire. They're both switched over to both sides. We've got this whole centre section here to clip back into place, but it's going to look mega. And then I've brought these, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it. Switch over this ring to black and the centre Audi badges to black, but we'll see how we go. But steering wheel looks great in comparison to the old. And there we go, everything is transferred over. Buttons are it all just pushes into place, very easy to do. I love the way that this all curves in down here. So I've just got my airbag plug there. Well, that's for all of the buttons and the paddles. So yeah, let's try and have a go of this. Hopefully I will be able to swap them over because it'll look nice in the black, even though there is a bit of chrome there. Let's see. So now for the refitting process. These are the two locators there, which go into the two holes there on the back. You've also got, if you look closely, a little notch there, which is the marker for the top, and you've also got the same on this. So all you basically have to do is just make sure, I'm trying to do this one-handed, make sure the two lines line up and push into place. That's it, it's in position now. So I'll get the M12 tightened back up. So the M12's done back up. We need to just get this wire here, my finger's pointing to, connects it back up to there, and the main plug there onto there. I'll get them plugged in and then I'll show you then how the airbag just snaps back into place. So that's them two connected. Make sure all your wires are tidy, nothing's getting kinked. When this goes in, make sure you've pushed in the little green retainer, which is there. And then it's just a case of lining the wheel up, the airbag up I should say, into where you feel it goes, and pushing into place. I may have to put the camera down for 2 seconds whilst I push this in. And there we go, all pushed back into place. I'm going to now go around to the boot, connect up the battery and check that everything's working correctly. Around the back and get this 10mm connected back up. I always put a cloth or something there just to make sure it doesn't touch anything. We'll take this out of place, out of the way, get this connected back up. That's it, that's back on. First time I've actually been around here to the back of this, and took the spare wheel. An actual car where you get a spare wheel nowadays is amazing. The little toolkit, and this is the Bose sound box there. I'll get this tightened up and then we'll check all the buttons and everything works. And so that is it, guys. Everything is back fitted, working. All the controls are working correctly, which is great. No, I'm really pleased with that. Looks really good. So nice to hold as well. Flat bottom. So just to recap on how to take it off: turn your wheel to the side, release the airbag, clip that side, turn it that way, release the airbag, clip that side, and the airbag pops out. Undo the 2 electrical connectors and then the M12 spline bit, I should say. So that's it, guys. That's a wrap on the video. If you have enjoyed it, be sure to give it a like. Any comments or questions, drop them below. If you can subscribe, that would be great too. And I will catch you in the next one. Cheers.